Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you.
Are you ready for the story? The story is about animals, and the name of the story is Dear Zoo, and the writer of the story is Rod Campbell. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an. The box is looking very heavy. What is inside the box? Let's see. It is an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a. What do you think? What is inside the green box? Let's see. It is a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a. What is inside the red box? It is looking so dangerous. Let's see. It is a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a. What is inside the blue box? What do you think? Let's see. What is inside the blue box? It is a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a. What is inside the orange basket? It is looking something different. What do you think? What is inside the basket? Let's see. It is a. Oh my god! It is a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a. Someone is hiding behind the yellow box. What it is? Let's see. It is a monkey. Wow. But he was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a. What next? Inside the pink box. Let's see. It is a green frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a yellow basket. It is from all my friends at the zoo. What do you think? Which animal they sent this time as a present to me? It's a puppy. Wow, it's so cute. He was perfect. I kept him.